Alright guys, this is a real quick video. First and foremost, we're doing it. We're going full-time about 2 years earlier than planned.
No, at least, yeah.
At least 2 years earlier than planned. And it came super quick, pretty much.
Well, the housing market is what really pushed us.
Yeah, so as you know, the housing market is going crazy right now. And we just couldn't risk missing this opportunity to sell this house, make a profit, and get out of everything debt-free and be able to live on the road. So we're doing it. We posted our house for sale and we had 2 offers within 24 hours. We accepted one, and so now we're just waiting for closing April 10th, and then we're going to be moving out.
August 10th, babe.
Oh.
It's July.
Oh man, April would be so long away. That'd be a long time.
That's where our brains are at right now, though. We are like, everything's been happening so crazy. We basically took 2 weeks to prepare the house to put on the market by painting the outside, doing a couple of odds and ends, and then put it on the market. And it actually wasn't even live in our actual county, only on Zillow. Yeah. And we had 3 showings like immediately.
The next day, yeah. We had calls that night wanting to look at the house. Yeah. So if you're thinking about putting your house on the market, when they say be ready, they're, at least right now, they're serious. Be ready.
And
I don't think we're ready. And
they're buying absolutely everything inside and outside of the house.
Yeah, so this is
decor, rugs, everything.
If you're going full time, this is like full-time wet dream. They're buying the house, they're buying everything, like she said, couches, non-personal photos on the walls, the exterior decorations, I mean flowers, palm trees that we have in little pots, I mean everything. And if you're going full-time, that's what you want, because we've done 2 or 3 yard sales now and
over it.
I'm so over it. I don't want to do any more. And Facebook Marketplace is even worse.
Yeah, so a lot of stuff got donated.
Yeah, a lot of stuff. And you'll see it through the video. So this is just like a little update video that we're doing. Yeah. Just to let everybody know where we're at and what the plan is, and that we have gone, since the last video from Disney, we have gone from traveling part-time with the kids to living full-time stationary in around West Palm Beach, Florida for right now.
For about 2 to 3 years, we'll probably be stationary in South Florida while we where the job opportunities are. But right now, our job opportunity is right now in South Florida. Right. Where we can save a lot of money. So.
And Crystal just signed up to work camp.
KOA.
For the KOA.
We'll see.
As of about an hour ago, so she applied for a position down there. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
I mean, we both have no resume or skills for that specifically.
Well, we have skills for it.
We just skills, don't have any experience. KOA specific experience.
We've never worked at a campground.
So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully, you know, that'd be great to build our resumes for that. So once we do start traveling more, we'll have that on our resume. Yeah. To help us, you know, next KOA, maybe we'll jump KOA to KOA. I don't know. Yeah. There's so many. We have so many plans right now. It's like we don't even know. I'm pretty sure we don't even know what we're doing.
Yeah. Unfortunately, right now though, we're going to be a little bit stationary for the next, in the southeast somewhere because of our kids. So, but then it'll be go time. Yeah. And we'll have a lot of money saved up. Yeah. For doing it. Yeah. And debt free. So
right now the plan is, once we sell the house, we already have a campground reserved in Fort Lauderdale, and then once we sell the house and get settled in to our current camper, our travel trailer, our Keystone Bullet 243 BHS, we are going to buy a new truck because we only have a 1500 and we need something bigger to tow bigger. And then we're going to go with a bigger camper, travel trailer or fifth wheel. We're not sure, probably fifth wheel.
Most likely fifth wheel.
So that's just a little update. Here's a little bit of video coming up of our last couple weeks, preparing the house, painting a little bit, garage sales, and just getting excited for the future that has come very fast for us.
But exciting.
Yeah, it's super exciting. So if you're out there thinking about doing it, we're blindly jumping into this with...
I feel like there's no other way to do it, though. I feel like just go for it. Go big or go home, right? Isn't that the Texas saying?
It's pretty much what we're doing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yep.
so hope you enjoyed the video. Crystal hard at work, getting the pool ready.
It's a hard job.
Yeah.
Rough job.
Getting ready to repaint the house and touching up some cracks and stuff like that. We're gonna repaint the floor, and then eventually we're moving into our other house, that bad boy right there. And then eventually we're selling it and then moving into a bigger one. I give it 3 months and then we're probably out of that one. The start of selling some of our belongings. These are just some extra things, well, not extra, but some things we had in our shed, and that's where we're starting. These are gonna be the main items we're gonna throw in our garage sale in a couple weeks. Lawnmower, weed eater, some old piece of junk lawnmower, I mean four-wheeler. Yeah, getting rid of everything.
It's a hot one.
It's 6:30 in the morning, and a lot of our possessions are in the yard for neighbors to look at and judge and possibly purchase. This is RV life, right?
How much for the set?
I don't know, like
Stainless steel. 3 in 1. $3?
$2. They look like, yeah.
$2.
They look like crap. We're getting ready to move. House is on the market. Went on the market yesterday, and had 3 viewings today. Had an offer already, so now it's becoming real. So now it's like crunch time, trying to get everything sold. So waiting for you to get some stuff out.
Not that.
All right, another day. I'm sure you can tell all this junk we've got. Another day packing up the house, getting ready. We had somebody make an offer less than 48 hours after listing, and so it's done. We're on the way, so we're getting ready now. Well, if you're wondering how our garage sale is going today, day 2, it's a little wet. I think we're just gonna do water damage, 50% off. No, seriously though, I think what we're gonna do is once this stops, I don't think we're gonna do a Sunday sale. We'll probably just throw it all in the truck, and whatever's left over by the end of today, just take it to Goodwill, because we're kind of to the point where we got to get rid of it, and I don't want to deal with it. Honestly, this is what it's come down to. Ready for all this crap to go. So the biggest thing I can tell you, if you're going to do this and you're heading out on your own, you want to get rid of everything, it's all got to go. Goodwill, Facebook Marketplace, yard sale, or whatever. So kind of what we're doing right now is we're nearing the end of the day, for us at least. I think it's only like 12 o'clock in the afternoon, but it's all free. We got that sign out front, says free, and at the end of the day you just got to get rid of it, and you know, we're not taking it with us. So, and I really don't feel like hauling it off to Goodwill, you know. So if you're doing this, take this as advice. You got to get rid of it. It's got to go somewhere. You might as well just give it away, especially if you're at the end of your garage sale and it's rained 5 times and you're pretty much over it. Might as well just scratch out garage sale and put free with a Sharpie, and hopefully 1 person, 2 people come through and clean you out. Good luck. All right, that's what we got left from the yard sale today. One of our mini runs we're gonna make This is probably our 5th run to Goodwill in the last couple weeks. But not too bad, considering. By the end of it, like I said, we started just giving stuff away. Giving stuff to your family is always a good idea. Today we're gonna go make a run to Melbourne and give some stuff to Crystal's family. Christmas tree, fishing poles, just a bunch of stuff that we can't really keep, throw in storage, but man, my hair looks like a mess. Stuff we're either gonna throw in storage, which we only have a 5x5, which is like the length of my arm by the length of my arms, you know, so we only got so much room. So if you're gonna get rid of stuff, family's another option if they'll take it. So we're kind of fortunate to where Crystal's family lives about an hour from where we're at right now, so it makes it pretty easy to give stuff away.